Sarah was in her late 20s and lived in a big, busy city. Her life was full of small adventures, both good and challenging. Let's follow one of her regular days. At 6:30 a.m., Sarah's alarm rang. She opened her eyes, stretched, and smiled. A new day had begun. She got out of bed and opened the curtains. The sunlight filled the room and made everything feel bright and fresh. After a quick shower, Sarah made a healthy breakfast, a fruit smoothie with yogurt and a little honey. While drinking it, she looked at her calendar and planned her day. It would be a busy day at work, but she felt ready. Her phone buzzed. It was a message from Jack, her boyfriend of 2 years. "Good morning, beautiful. I hope you have an amazing day. Can't wait to see you tonight." Sarah smiled and felt happy. Sarah worked as a project manager at a tech company. Her job was not easy, but she liked it. She worked with a great team and enjoyed solving problems. At 8:30 a.m., she arrived at the office and greeted her co-workers. They had an important deadline soon, so everyone was focused. At 10 a.m., Sarah had a team meeting. They talked about the project and shared ideas to fix some problems. Sarah was good at helping the team stay positive and organized. During a short break, Sarah thought about her future. She dreamed of starting her own tech company one day. This goal gave her energy to keep learning and growing. At noon, Sarah met her best friend Lisa for lunch. They went to a small cafe near the office. They talked, laughed, and shared stories. Lisa asked, "Any big plans with Jack this weekend?" Sarah smiled. "Yes, we're going to visit his parents. I'm a little nervous but excited." Lisa gave her a warm look. "You'll do great." Back at work, Sarah had to deal with a few problems, but she stayed calm and found solutions. By 5 p.m. the day was almost over. Her boss came by and said, "Sarah, great work today. I have a new project in mind for you." Sarah listened carefully. It sounded exciting. She felt proud and motivated. After work, Sarah stopped by her favorite bookstore. She loved reading. Books helped her relax. She bought a new novel and went home. For dinner, she cooked grilled chicken with vegetables and yogurt sauce. She liked trying new recipes. After eating, she made some tea and sat on the couch with her book. The story was so good she forgot the time. At 8 p.m. Jack came over. He brought her favorite dessert, chocolate mousse. They watched a romantic movie together and talked afterward. "I believe in you, Sarah," Jack said. "You can start your own company. You're smart and strong." Sarah felt thankful. Jack's support meant a lot to her. Before sleeping, Sarah wrote in her journal. She liked to think about her day and write down what she was thankful for. Lying in bed, she smiled. Life wasn't always easy, but it was full of meaning. She closed her eyes, ready for tomorrow.